Hi everyone, and welcome to Classic Car Corner. In today's video, we're diving into 20 classic cars available on the marketplace for some seriously low prices. Stick around to see some fantastic deals.
Number 1.
The 1965 Plymouth Valiant 100, priced at $7,975, is a rare classic for collectors seeking an original, well-maintained vehicle. With a slant 6-cylinder motor and a 3-speed automatic transmission, this car has only 42,763 miles and runs flawlessly, making it ready for immediate use or display. This all-original, one-owner car has been kept in excellent condition, always garaged, and is free from rust. Both the interior and exterior are clean, reflecting its preservation over the years. The brakes and tires are fresh, ensuring a smooth and reliable drive. Located in Springfield, Illinois, this Valiant is a unique opportunity for car enthusiasts.
Number 2.
The 1983 Cadillac DeVille, priced at $7,900, offers a solid mix of luxury and performance for classic car enthusiasts. Equipped with a 500 cubic inch carbureted 1975 big block engine and turbo 400 transmission, this coupe runs and drives well with all key features in working order, including power windows, mirrors, and brakes. The car boasts new leather seats, a quarter top, Arroyo tires, and aftermarket 100-spoke wire wheels, along with a Rockford Fosgate sound system and high-phonic speakers. It also features an aftermarket Cadillac Classic grille, adding to its striking appearance. Located with a clean title in hand, this DeVille is a great find for anyone looking for a well-preserved classic. The seller is firm on the price and open to trade-ins, excluding boats and payments.
Number 3.
The 1966 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $6,500, is a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts or those seeking a project vehicle. Equipped with a 289 engine, this Fairlane runs well and offers plenty of potential for restoration. The car features a rare gold exterior and matching interior, adding to its unique appeal. While it's in running condition, the exterior does need some work, making it an ideal project for someone looking to bring a classic back to its full glory. Located and available for serious inquiries only, this Fairlane is an affordable entry into the world of vintage cars.
Number 4.
The 1986 Pontiac Parisienne Classic, priced at $10,000, is a well-preserved vehicle with only 83,000 miles. Recently brought to Michigan from West Virginia, this car runs and drives flawlessly, with a strong Flowmaster exhaust and a sound system featuring two 15-inch subwoofers. The exterior boasts a great paint job, rims in perfect condition, and brand new tires. Both the AC and heat are fully functional. While the dash occasionally has some issues, the overall condition of the car is excellent. Custom work, including window tinting, is planned if the vehicle isn't sold soon. Located in Michigan, this Parisienne is available for serious buyers only, with a negotiable price.
Number 5.
The 1966 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $14,000, is a running classic equipped with a 350 engine and automatic transmission. While it's mechanically sound, this Malibu requires some interior work, including a dash shell, though the cluster and gauges are included, and a patch on the trunk pan. This car offers great potential and, with some restoration, could easily become a standout Chevelle. The seller is also open to considering trades for other classic cars or trucks. Located and available for immediate sale, this is an excellent opportunity for someone looking to invest in a classic restoration project.
Number 6.
The 1940 Oldsmobile Series 70 Touring Sedan, priced at $10,500, is an all-original classic with no rust, making it a rare find. This two-door sedan retains its original flathead i6 engine, a 3-speed column shifter, and original interior, though some components, like the exterior lights and horn, have been upgraded to 12V. The car runs, drives, and brakes well, but it requires a wiper motor to be legally registered in Kentucky. It also needs fuel tank straps, a cleaned fuel tank, and currently runs off a gas can. Additional parts, including all the chrome, are included. Located in Kentucky, this unique Oldsmobile is available for sale or trade, with the seller open to offers or classic car trades, particularly from the 1967 to 72 range.
Number 7.
The 1973 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL convertible, priced at $10,500, is a well-maintained classic ideal for cruising. It features both a removable hardtop and a retractable soft top, offering versatile options for any driving experience. Powered by the popular 4.5 V8 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission, this car delivers smooth performance and feels like new on the road. The interior is in excellent condition, and the car has had only one repaint, maintaining its sharp and stylish appearance. Located and ready for a new owner, this 450 SL is perfect for enjoying scenic drives or beach outings. Don't miss the opportunity to own this timeless classic.
Number 8.
The 1977 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $5,000, is a dependable classic with 175,000 miles. Equipped with a 350 engine and transmission, this coupe runs and drives well, making it road-ready with no need for a tow. While there is a small dent on the hood from a fallen tree, the car remains in solid condition overall. The seller is open to offers and is also interested in trading for a Cutlass. Located and ready for its next owner, this Impala is a budget-friendly option for those looking to own a vintage American classic.
Number 9.
The 1968 Chevrolet Impala convertible, priced at $4,000, is a non-running project car with great potential for restoration. Featuring a 5.0 L V8 engine, this classic convertible offers the chance to bring an iconic piece of automotive history back to life. The car's design highlights include a spacious interior, stylish chrome accents, and a solid frame, making it an excellent foundation for a full restoration. While it needs extensive work, this Impala retains much of its original trim and styling, offering plenty of room for customization or preservation. Located and ready for a new owner, this convertible is perfect for anyone seeking a rewarding project. No trades are accepted.
Number 10.
The 1955 Ford Fairlane Town Sedan, priced at $8,000, is a rolling project with much of the heavy work already completed. This four-door classic has had only 3 owners and has always been a Texas car since it left the Dallas factory. It's an excellent project for beginners or a father-son restoration. The car is being sold due to the owner's health, and all details about its condition and what has been done are available upon serious inquiry. Partial trades for running and driving classic cars may be considered. Located and ready for a new home, this Fairlane offers a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts to complete a restoration project.
Number 11.
The 1949 Chevrolet Classic Sedan 4D, priced at $8,000, is a remarkable opportunity for those seeking a vintage car with all original parts. This classic Chevy retains its original numbers-matching components, making it a rare find. While it currently does not run due to a wiring issue, the motor spins freely, and the brakes require attention. The fuel system likely needs a complete overhaul, as it has been sitting for a while. Despite these mechanical issues, the car remains intact and in excellent condition for its age. At 75 years old, this Chevy has never been restored, showcasing the enduring quality of its build. The exterior and body are in great shape, with the classic design still appealing to vintage car enthusiasts. This Chevy comes with a clean title, making it a great candidate for a restoration project or for a collector looking for a solid foundation. The seller is asking $8,000 or best offer, with trades only considered for an '08 or newer small car with less than 120,000 miles and in working condition. Located in Jacksonville, Alabama, this is a unique chance to own a piece of automotive history, but keep in mind that the car is for sale, not on sale.
Number 12.
The 1978 GMC Sierra 3500 Crew Cab, listed for $9,000, is a solid and reliable workhorse for anyone in the market for a classic truck. This GMC C35 is powered by a 454 engine paired with a 400 transmission. The current owner has invested significant time and effort into making it mechanically dependable, having used it as a daily driver for 2 years, even making long trips from Kansas to Texas with a fully loaded bed. Cosmetically, the truck shows some wear typical for its age, but mechanically it's in fantastic shape. It runs, drives, and stops with no issues. Major services recently performed include a full overhaul of the hydroboost system, all brakes, and front suspension. It also features a 5/7 drop using a high-quality kit from Western Chassis, ensuring smooth performance. Other maintenance items have been meticulously handled, with regular oil changes being part of the routine. The interior is in great condition for its age, with the only notable flaw being a sagging headliner that also has a small hole. The seller started wet sanding the driver's side to bring back the original paint, and the truck shows potential for further restoration. Located in Texas, the seller is primarily seeking trades for something more modern and suitable as a daily driver, whether it's a car, truck, or motorcycle, but cash offers are welcome.
Number 13.
The 1961 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $14,500, is a timeless piece of Ford's automotive history. Finished in a stunning fieldstone tan metallic exterior with a matching pearl beige interior, this Thunderbird showcases vintage elegance. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. Comfort and ease of driving are key features, with power-adjustable seats, power brakes, and power steering enhancing the experience behind the wheel. The car retains its original AM radio, adding to its authentic retro charm. The exterior is completed with classic hubcaps and white wall tires, reflecting the iconic design of the early 1960s. This Thunderbird has been well preserved, a solid example from Kentucky. While it's a great runner, the car has seen restoration efforts on the smaller details, making it ready for a new owner to enjoy both on the road and as part of a collection. This beautifully designed classic represents an era of stylish, American craftsmanship.
Number 14.
The 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, listed for $6,000, is a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts looking for a project. This Z28 model comes from Florida and has a solid underbody, with floor pans and frame in excellent shape, a rare find in vintage cars of this era. The current owner originally purchased it as an easy project but has since found another car they've been searching for over 15 years, leaving them with no space to store this Camaro. Despite being a project car, it presents a solid foundation for restoration with its key structural components intact. The seller is open to offers and would consider trading for a base boat, making it a flexible deal for potential buyers. Located in Florida, this Camaro offers a chance to own a piece of American muscle car history at an affordable price.
Number 15.
The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro, listed for $18,000, is a rare find for enthusiasts seeking a classic muscle car project. This RS Z28 model has 68,700 miles on the body, which is in great condition with minimal rust, a solid starting point for restoration. Although it currently lacks a motor and transmission, the car comes with numerous extra parts, giving the buyer flexibility in how they want to rebuild it. It's set up for an automatic transmission, but the clutch pedals are included, offering the option for a manual conversion. The rear end is upgraded with a 9-inch braced rear axle, equipped with 4.88 gears and 35 spline posi traction, ensuring high performance once the drivetrain is installed. Located in Texas, this Camaro is ideal for someone looking to customize or restore a classic American muscle car. With its clean body and essential components, it presents a fantastic opportunity for a high-performance build.
Number 16.
The 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, listed for $16,000, is an authentic super sport model, making it a desirable option for classic car collectors. Powered by a 283 engine paired with a Powerglide transmission, this Chevelle runs and drives well, offering a solid performance. The car features clean floors and a trunk, highlighting its well-maintained condition. While the body and paintwork have been done by an amateur, the car remains in good shape overall. It also benefits from a full American Auto wire harness, ensuring that the electrical system is reliable throughout the vehicle. All glass and trim pieces are intact and in great condition, preserving the car's classic look. The seller is firm on the $16,000 price and not in a rush to sell, but may consider trades for other GM muscle cars. Located in Florida, this Chevelle SS is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking for a vintage muscle car with strong potential for customization or restoration.
Number 17.
The 1970 Chevrolet El Camino, listed for $20,000, is powered by a robust BBC 396 engine and is in running and driving condition, making it a strong candidate for anyone seeking a classic American car. While the car overall is in good shape, it does require some front-end work, particularly on the driver's side in front of the rotor, with potential frame attention needed. Despite this, the El Camino remains a solid example of vintage Chevrolet design, blending the style of a muscle car with the practicality of a pickup. The seller is open to offers and may consider trades, but only for other classic Chevrolets. No boats, motorcycles, or four-wheelers. Located in Florida, this El Camino offers a great mix of power and style for muscle car enthusiasts willing to do some minor repairs.
Number 18.
The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu, listed with an asking price of $1,234, is a running and driving project car that needs some restoration work. Specifically, the floor requires replacement, but the seller includes a new floor pan and several other extra parts, making this a great opportunity for someone looking to take on a project. Additional parts include bucket seats and a console, adding value for the right buyer. This Malibu is ideal for someone interested in a restoration project with a lot of the necessary components already provided. For the right price, it could be transformed into a solid classic. Located in Florida, it's a good starting point for a build, especially for those who enjoy working on classic American cars.
Number 19.
The 1974 Ford Phaeton replica, priced at $10,000, is a striking recreation of the iconic 1932 Ford Phaeton. This classic convertible features a red and black exterior, offering a stylish and timeless look. Under the hood, it boasts a newly replaced 302 V8 engine, along with new parts and components, ensuring solid performance and reliability. Stored in a garage and maintained in a smoke-free environment, the car is in excellent condition for its age. The seller emphasizes that preference will be given to serious buyers ready to purchase with bank check or cash. Located in South Deerfield, Massachusetts, this is a fantastic opportunity to own a well-preserved and mechanically refreshed replica of a 1932 Ford Phaeton. Ideal for classic car lovers looking for vintage flair with modern reliability.
Number 20.
The 1971 Chevrolet Impala, listed for $18,000, is a classic car that runs and rides great, with the reliability to make long trips, perfect for a journey to California and back. This Impala is a clean and straight example, making it a hard-to-find find in such good condition. While there is some clear coat peeling on the trunk, the seller is willing to fix this if the car isn't sold beforehand. Overall, this Impala represents a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts looking for a dependable vintage vehicle. Located in Florida, the seller is open to questions, making it easy for potential buyers to gather more information about this well-maintained classic. Thanks for joining us on this classic car journey. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and leave a comment with your top pick. Subscribe to Classic Car Corner and tap the bell icon for more great content. Catch you in the next video.